In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the rear tail lamp bulbs in X5 E70. The other thing that I'm going to mention mainly is it's better to take the rear light module before you buy the bulb, because the bulb might be different. There are two part numbers coming for the brake lights. For example, I bought a part that did not fit the model that I was having. So I'm going to show you how to change the module out, and it's better, as I mentioned, to take it to the shop and buy the bulb from there itself rather than buying and having hassle. So this is a bulb that was blown out, the brake light bulb. I just took the side panel out. It's really simple, as most of the guys might know. And this is a brake light module. You can see there are three clips holding the module. One is the center one, the gray color. You have to push it down. The one to the left, you can see there, you have to push it out a little bit because it's plastic. And there is one to the far end. That's the other one, last one. So there are three clips. You have to pop it out, and the connector from down, you can see. You just have to press it. I'll show you. Just press it and pull it. So the procedure is like from the side, top, and the middle. You just press it a little bit, shake it, and the connector part you can use for holding and pulling out. So it's better to use two hands. I'm holding the camera as well, that's the reason. So you just shake it a little bit from the middle, you push it down and pull the module. It will come out easily. So that's it, you got it out. And the bulb, I'll show you that. The last bulb to the left, that's blown out, that's for the brake module. You just press it down and turn it anti-clockwise, and you can get it out. That's really simple, most of the guys might know. And this is the bulb that I bought, and it was not fitting in my module. The bulb looks similar, the connector, everything looks similar, but it just didn't fit. You can see there, it looks similar, but it's really different. So it's better to take the module out and buy the bulb from the shop by making sure it's the right bulb. The other bulbs also is really simple, as you can see. The three are the indicator. So this is the one that is fitting properly, which has already been blown. So I'm not going to change it now. I'm just showing you how to put it back. The same way as we took it out, you just have to keep it in position. Make sure the center clip is in place and just push it in. Then you make the connector back. So that's it. I'm not gonna install it now because I'm gonna take it to shop and buy the right bulb and put the cover back, the side panel back. That's it. Thank you.